1. 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe. Up first, we've got a true late 70s cruiser, a 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe, priced at $10,000 and located in Waldorf. Built during the golden era of GM's G-Body platform, the 1980 Monte Carlo blends personal luxury, styling, with rear-wheel drive performance. By this time, Chevrolet had refined the Monte Carlo into a smooth-riding coupe with long hood proportions, a formal roofline, and unmistakable American presence. This example shows just 61,000 miles on the odometer, impressively low for a car that's now over 4 decades old. Under the hood, it's paired with an automatic transmission, making it an easy and comfortable cruiser whether you're heading to a weekend meet or just enjoying a relaxed drive. Finished in a bold orange exterior, this Monte Carlo definitely stands out. The contrasting brown interior gives it that unmistakable late 70s and early 80s vibe. Warm tones, plush seating, and a cockpit designed for comfort rather than aggression. The car is described as running and being sold as is, offering a solid opportunity for someone looking for a driver-quality classic with character. Whether you keep it original, restore it further, or add subtle custom touches, the platform has strong potential. They truly don't build personal luxury coupes like this anymore. Rear-wheel drive, simple mechanics, and unmistakable style. For $10,000, this 1980 Monte Carlo LS Coupe could be your affordable entry into classic American cruising. 2. 1969 GMC 1500 regular cab long bed. Coming in at number 2, we've got a true restoration candidate. A 1969 GMC 1500 priced at just $1,850, located in Goldsboro. This classic pickup represents late 1960s American truck design at its most honest and durable. Built by GMC, the 1500 series was known for its toughness and clean, squared-off styling. This example is a regular cab long bed finished in blue, paired with a matching blue interior, and shows 90,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood sits a 350 small block Chevy V8, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, a proven drivetrain combo in the classic truck world. But this truck is being sold as a project, and it will need serious mechanical attention before it's road ready. Here's what we know. Water is entering the combustion chamber, likely due to dried out gaskets. The radiator has a crack, though a replacement unit is included. 0.1 intake manifold bolt is stripped. The engine was blowing oil while running, suggesting worn piston rings. And the starter grinds on the flywheel during startup. In short, this GMC needs a full overhaul and some dedicated hands. To bring it back to life, there's also a paperwork note. It currently does not have a full title, only registration in the owner's name. If the seller secures the title, the price will increase accordingly. This is not a turnkey classic. It's a builder's opportunity. For under $2,000, you're getting a solid late 60s platform with classic styling and huge restoration potential. With the right investment of time and effort, this 1969 GMC 1500 could once again become a proud, road-ready piece of American truck history. 3. 1967 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe. At number 3, we've got a stylish mid-60s classic, a 1967 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe, priced at $6,000, located in Hagerstown. Built during the golden age of American muscle and personal coupes, the 1967 Skylark blends sharp body lines with understated luxury. Produced by Buick, this two-door hardtop carries that clean, pillarless profile that made mid-60s coupes so desirable. Finished in mint green with a black interior, this Skylark has a classic, period-correct look that stands out without being over the top. The odometer shows 93,500 miles, and the car is described as starting and running. Under the hood sits a V6 Spitfire engine, paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission, delivering smooth cruising manners rather than all-out muscle performance. It's the kind of setup that makes for relaxed weekend drives and easy ownership. The body is reported to be mostly rust-free, with only a few minor spots, a major plus for a 1967 vehicle. Mechanically, the carburetor is running a bit rich, meaning it could benefit from a proper tune-up to dial everything in. The current owner is selling because they've moved on to another vehicle, which opens the door for someone else to step in and continue the journey with this classic Buick, a $6,000. This Skylark represents an affordable entry into 1960s American coupe ownership. Ideal as a dependable classic driver or a light restoration project with strong upside potential. 4. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Coming in at number 4, we've got a true American icon, a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, offered at $10,000 OBO, located in Stanley. When Ford introduced the Mustang in 1964, it changed the automotive world forever. The 1965 model remains one of the purest representations of the original pony car formula. Compact, stylish, and powered by a proper V8. This example is equipped with the legendary 289 cubic inch V8, topped with a 2-barrel carburetor and paired to a 3-speed manual transmission. It's the kind of drivetrain that delivers a raw, connected driving experience that modern cars simply can't replicate. The odometer shows 31,296 documented miles, and it's a 3-owner car, adding to its credibility and appeal. Major structural work has already been handled. The frame rails were professionally replaced, and the floor pans are solid, which are critical areas on first-generation Mustangs. Inside, the blue interior is described as clean and near perfect, maintaining that authentic 1960s look and feel. Mechanical updates include a 3-row radiator for improved cooling, a new gas tank, a brand new dual exhaust system with glass-back mufflers, delivering that unmistakable classic V8 sound. And all brakes have been redone. IT also comes with valuable extras. The original carburetor, a rebuilt spare carburetor that was never installed, a new set of tires including a spare, and even the original Michigan license plate. The car drives great and turns heads wherever it goes. One known issue is a cowl leak, which is common for Mustangs of this era, though the car has been garage kept at $10,000 or best offer. This 1965 Mustang Coupe represents a strong opportunity to own one of the most influential American classics ever built, with major work already completed and plenty of upside left. 5. 1974 Pontiac Ventura GTO. Closing out the list at number 5, we've got something rare and often overlooked. A 1974 Pontiac Ventura GTO, priced at $7,500, located in Casco, WY 1974. The GTO name had transitioned onto the Ventura platform, creating a lighter, more compact performance car during the muscle car era's changing landscape. Built by Pontiac, this particular model is especially unique. One of only 1,700 hatchback versions produced, making it a rare piece of 1970s Pontiac history. Under the hood sits a fresh small block 350 V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It's been upgraded with a shift kit and controlled by a ratchet shifter, giving it a more aggressive, performance-oriented feel. The odometer shows 52,000 miles, and the car is described as roadworthy and ready to drive. Finished in red with a black interior, this Ventura GTO carries classic 1970s attitude. It rides on KG wheels, adding to its period-correct muscle stance. While the paint is 50 years old and shows its age, it still presents well and retains that vintage character many enthusiasts appreciate. At the $7,500, this isn't just a driver. It's an opportunity to own a lesser-seen chapter of GTO history. The owner is also open to interesting trades, making this a flexible deal for the right buyer. Affordable, rare, and road-ready. This 1974 Ventura GTO proves that muscle car heritage doesn't always have to come with a high price tag. 6. Pontiac Phoenix, $1,200, Evansville, Indiana. This 1978 Pontiac Phoenix shows 178,548 miles and is currently not running. The seller states it previously ran and drove reliably, including longer trips over 45 minutes without issue. It now refuses to start, despite having newer components such as a water pump, alternator, and belts. The exact problem is unknown. The seller mentions simply being tired of working on it. At $1,200, this is an inexpensive late 70s compact that could need minor troubleshooting or something more involved. 7. Ford F-100 Custom, $1,200, Batesville, Arkansas. This 1974 F-100 Custom has 144,000 miles and a V8 paired with a 3-speed manual on the column. The engine is currently seized due to sitting. There is rust in the floors, though the cab corners are reportedly solid. Headlights and turn signals work, and the doors close properly with functional windows. It comes with a title in hand. At $1,200, it's realistically a project truck or part source with some solid structural areas. 8. 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, $1,800. This Fairlane 500 project originally had a 221 V8, but the current engine is seized due to rusted cylinders. A 260 V8 is included with the sale. The trunk is solid, though it needs front floorboards and has some rust. It comes with a clean title. This is clearly a non-running project, but it appears structurally decent overall. A traditional early 60s Ford restoration candidate. 9. Chevrolet 3201 half-ton pickup, $2,300, Hillsboro, Kentucky. This 1955 Chevy 3200 long bed is equipped with a 235 inline-6 that is currently stuck. The truck rolls and steers, which simplifies transport. Rust is present in common areas, including around the windshield frame, but is described as reparable. An extra driver door is included, although it does not match the current finish. It is being sold with a bill of sale only, no title. At $2,300, it's a classic truck project with paperwork considerations. 10. OMG G-Chin 5, $1,000, Kent, Ohio. This 1974 milligrams G-Chin 5 shows 85,000 miles and features a manual transmission. It comes with a clear title. The previous owner reportedly claimed it ran and drove, but the current seller has not been able to get it started. No additional mechanical details are provided. It is being sold strictly as is. At $1,000, it represents an affordable entry into vintage British sports cars. Though condition and needs remain uncertain, that's the full list of 10 budget classics. Each one comes with potential, but also real-world needs. If you appreciate honest classic car overviews, stay tuned for the next lineup. 11. Ford Falcon Futura Sports Coupe, $3,000, Glenwood, Arkansas. This 1968 Falcon Futura Sports Coupe is offered at $3,000 and comes with a clean title. The seller is located in Glenwood, Arkansas. A straightforward listing with solid potential, especially for buyers looking for a late 1960s compact Ford project or cruiser. 12. Ford Econoline van, $2,500, Mississippi. This conversion van shows 49,500 miles and is powered by a 351 Windsor engine, paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a 9-inch rear axle. Those are durable, proven components. The interior is described as clean, and rust is reportedly not a major issue, though minor body damage is present. One important detail: there is no title, only a bill of sale. Mechanically solid on paper, but paperwork should be carefully considered before purchase. 13. Dodge Dart 270, $3,000, Kentucky. With 150,000 miles showing, this Dart is equipped with a 273 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller confirms it runs and drives, but clearly states it is a project car. It will need to be sorted, meaning it's not currently ready for reliable road use. Overall, it appears complete and usable as a foundation. Expect cosmetic work and mechanical attention moving forward. 14. Chevrolet C10 long bed, $1,200, North Carolina. This truck is described honestly as rusty and rough. It has no engine, and the floors and cab supports require replacement. However, the frame and bed are said to be solid. Included are a turbo 350 transmission, LS swap mounts, stainless headers, and a new fuel tank setup. It also sits on large aftermarket wheels with new tires. This is clearly a project shell with some valuable parts included, but it will require significant work. 15. Dodge 330, $1,200, Georgia. This Dodge 330 comes with a 318 poly engine and push-button torque flight transmission. The engine turns by hand, but one valve is stuck, so it has not been started. The body shows rust, including holes in the floor, and there is visible damage to the front grille and driver's side fender. The interior is reportedly in better condition than expected for its age. It has a title, though it has not yet been transferred into the seller's name.